Welcome friends. Now to understand the next command and the need of that command, I want to show you a secure pad. This is a pad locked by a dial. I'm showing you the dial. You can see the dials here. For locking this mechanism, this pad, I'm opening up that pad, that dial. This one is a dial. So here I have to either engrave or emboss the letters from A to Z. You can see here. To generate, how we can generate these letters in SolidWorks. I'll be showing you that. Making a new sketch, click on this text. Now before that I will have to make a curve. Suppose I have generated this curve. I want to make the letters go along this curve, so I've taken this text. Now curve, I've selected this curve. In the text I can write anything. For example, I'm writing so you can see here the letters has been generated here. Now uncheck this box. We will be taking the newer fonts. We can choose from any font. Here there are different kind of fonts that we can use. You can click them from here. Suppose I am taking this Arial 100 empty font. Now to select the height of these fonts, these letters, there are two options. Either we can go through units. So this one is currently 3.50 mm. I can either take put any kind of height that I do want to put in here. So now this one is bigger. Taking it once again. Suppose I am taking it as 20. So now you can see. Now these are interfering, so I'll have to decrease the height. Taking it as 10 again. So here it's perfectly going through the curve. Now I'll be showing you the next method. Next is the point. This is the points that we do use in the documents. For example, we do take either 11 or 12 as a font. So I'm taking that. Here I'm taking 12. Here in the in this box, it is showing what is the height of this letter with the point number 12. This is 3.08. If I increase it to, suppose I'm taking this as 30. With 30, let me check it again. It is 7.70. So if I want to make it as 10, equivalent to 10, then I think it should be taken at about 40. Yes, in 40 it is 10.27. So this is my the display of letters over this curve. Clicking OK, the curve is the text is generated. You can also choose not to use any curve. Suppose I'm not using any curve and not selecting any curve. I'm just putting up any letters here. You can see that here. Clicking OK. One thing to note is that this whole unit, this all the text done in one go are a single block. They will work like a single block. You can't delete any part of them. They will delete either as a whole, or they will you can't delete any part of them. Here also, if I want to delete any part of them, for example, if I try to delete them by trim command, I can't delete them. I can't trim them. I have to delete them. Click on them and press delete. This was the text command. Next is point. It is a simple point that I want to place anywhere. For example, I have a line. As I have already told you, there are 3 points on this line. Suppose I am taking another feature. Suppose I am taking another line. So there are 3 points on this line. This one, the start point, the end point, and the midpoint, where I can easily put my cursor and start the next sketch entity. But suppose I want to start my next sketch entity from here. The simple solution for that is taking a point here. Click on that point on that line and click. Pressing escape, you can see the point has been generated. Now if I want to start a new curve from here, I can easily pick that from here, this way. This is the use of point.